To make the taco shell, make a letter D that's on its side. Then we're going to add tomatoes. Then I'm going to put some kind of meat, it could be hamburger or chicken. Then some little pieces of cheese just kind of poking out from the shell. And then last, I'm going to add some kind of wiggly lines. That'll be the lettuce. And I'm going to make mine have a cute little face too. I'm just going to do a few more things. I'm going to add a little cactus over here. So I'm going to do the base of the cactus, and then it has these arms that come out. So I'm going to do one arm on this side, do the top of the cactus, and then do another arm a little bit higher and smaller, and then connect that to the bottom. I'm going to add a little cactus flower here and one on the other side. Then I'm going to do spikes all over. After this, I'm going to show you guys how to write the word taco with block 3D letters. So let's start with the T. Start it way over on the left hand side so we have room to get all the letters on there, and allow a little space in between the letters so we're able to add the back part of the letters to make it look 3D. Once you have your letters, to make them 3D, you start by doing these diagonal lines from these points. So just follow where I put mine. Once you have those, then you connect them. This one just goes over to here, and then it looks 3D. We're going to do the same thing for all these. So just follow the where I add those lines on yours, and then connect. The letter C is going to be a little bit different because it's curved. So we kind of do a line at the top and at the bottom, and then same with the O. Then you connect it with a curved line and have the curve sort of mimic the curve of the letter. And then lastly, the O, you just add a little line on the inside. That's it.